But these days paradise feels expensive. The fuel goes up, the prices go up, but somehow the paycheck stays the same. This one's for the families trying to hold on. Early morning heading into town, looking at the fuel board, shaking my head around. Yesterday's price is already gone. Today it's higher and the struggle carries on. The taxi driver's praying for a better day. The farmer's watching profits fade away. The fisherman counts every liter he burns, wondering when the tide will finally turn. From Rotuma down to Fiji level shore, everybody feels it at the grocery store. Rice and flour, sugar and tea, costing more than they used to be. Fuel, faith and family, that's all we're holding on to lately. Fuel keeps rising but hope remains as we weather these economic rains. Fuel, faith and family, trying to live with dignity, working hard to make ends meet while prices rise on every street. The news talks about conflicts far away, world leaders debating day after day, shipping routes and oil supplies, and suddenly fuel costs start to rise. One decision made across the sea can affect a family here in Fiji. The powerful nations move their pieces around while small islands feel every pound. Now I'm not pretending to know it all, but somebody should answer the people's call, because every increase eventually lands in the pockets of ordinary working hands. Fuel, faith and family, that's all we're holding on to lately. Fuel keeps rising but hope remains as we weather these economic rain. Fuel, faith and family, trying to live with dignity, working hard to make ends meet while prices rise on every street. Yo, I went to fill my tank the other day. The pump looked at me and said, "You sure you wanna pay?" I checked my wallet, it started to cry. Even my bank account asked me why. The supermarket trolleys get lighter while well electric's steady bill gets brighter. The paycheck standing perfectly still, but everything else is climbing the hill. Dear leaders, near and leaders far, remember who pays for every scar, because every policy, every debate eventually arrives at the family gate. Lord, give wisdom to every nation, guide their hearts in every conversation. Teach our leaders to think ahead, protect the jobs and daily bread. Help our islands build and grow, creating opportunities here at home. Give strength to every family line and peace in these uncertain times. Fuel, faith and family, the three things keeping us standing lately. Fuel may rise and the road be long, but together we'll keep moving on. Fuel, faith and family, the heartbeat of our community. With God's grace and unity, we'll build a stronger destiny. Fuel, faith and family, that's what matters in the end. Faith in God and family and friends, because no matter what tomorrow brings, love is richer than material things. Let us never forget. When fuel becomes expensive, faith becomes important, and family